Welcome to the Quiff It collection from MHDPro. In this collection, you will learn 5 haircuts featuring the rudiments of male grooming. These cuts use techniques borrowed from yesteryear and styling reminiscent of the college elite, sporting heroes, military style and matinee idols, but all given a modern edge. On completion, you can download an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. In Lesson 1, Dale Ted Watkins demonstrates a pure blend of scissor and clipper-over-comb worked technically through the interior in the top using over-direction and horizontal sections to gain an acute angle towards the fringe. Sarah Astley's haircut in Lesson 2 establishes a parting on the left-hand side. She then works horizontal and vertical sections and a square cutting line, and then refines with a scissor-over-comb technique. In Lesson 3, Dale Ted Watkins guides you through a long technical flat top through the fingers, which is further refined with a clipper-over-comb technique. For the 4th lesson, Dale demonstrates a high and tight graduated shape with disconnection, featuring scissor and clipper-over-comb techniques. Finally, in Lesson 5, Dale produces a short, flat top executed with clipper-over-comb techniques and with advice on cutting a square shape on a round head, corner placement, blend and fade. Use our See, Do, Stop, Check method to practice, develop and master the skills delivered in the Quiff It collection. Complete this online course and receive an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. Buy the Quiff It collection now only on MHDPro.com. MHDPro. Learning at any pace, any place, anytime.